Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a sit-down forklift. First, you must conduct a thorough pre-operation safety check. Always inspect fluid levels, including oil, water, and hydraulic fluid, ensuring they are at optimal levels. Confirm tire pressure is correct, typically around 55 psi, and check for any visible damage or wear. Verify all lights, the horn, and other safety devices are fully functional before you begin any tasks for the day. Once your pre-checks are complete, carefully enter the forklift and fasten your seatbelt securely. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the control layout. Identify the steering wheel, the accelerator and brake pedals, and the hydraulic levers for lifting and tilting. Understand the forward and reverse selector, as well as the parking brake. Knowing your controls is crucial for smooth and safe operation. When starting to drive, use a slow, smooth acceleration and avoid any abrupt movements. Remember, a sit-down forklift steers from the rear, so turns can feel different than a car. Always look in your intended direction of travel and maintain a safe speed, especially when navigating corners. Keep your forks low to the ground, about 4 to 6 inches high, when traveling without a load. To lift a load, approach it squarely and slowly, ensuring your forks are perfectly centered under the pallet. Once the load is on the forks, tilt the mast slightly backward to stabilize it against the backrest. Always maintain clear visibility. If your load obstructs your view, drive in reverse. Lowering loads should be done slowly and gently, confirming the area is completely clear before setting them down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.